Hey guys, I got a package in that I've been waiting for about a week now. Came from Texas, from Jesse. This is going to be awesome. So let's go ahead and put a little cut in it. Go ahead and rip it open. Get ready for it. These are the Color Glow. Oh my gosh, they are so sweet. Texas Rangers. 176, 175. Look at that halo rim on that thing too. I wish I had my glow light, but just good flexible plastic by Lone Star. And I believe Gorilla, yep, the Gorilla did this again. They made another really sweet stamp. They have some good access to the Founders Glow plastic as well. I love the white stamp on there. And that even has kind of a cool little design in this one as well, but this one for sure is sweet. Thank you so much, Jesse, for sending these over. I appreciate it. Wish they made these things stock, and I hope they do sometime soon. But until then, at least I have a backup. Thank you guys so much for watching.